In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an invitee limit for a Calendly group event. If you run group sessions, like workshops, classes, or team demos, setting a clear cap on how many people can book into a single time slot keeps things manageable and helps you deliver a better experience. Here's how to do that in Calendly, step by step, with a bit of context so you know exactly what each choice means. First, go to Calendly in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, head to your scheduling page where all your event types are listed. Find the group event type you want to adjust. This is important. Invitee limits for multiple attendees apply to group events only. If the event is one-on-one, you won't see the group invitee options. On the group event type you want to edit, click the three dots, the More menu, and choose Edit. This opens the event editor where you control settings for availability, notifications, and capacity. Inside the editor, look for the invitee limit section. In the newer interface, it's easy to spot within the event settings. In older interfaces, you might need to expand more options to reveal it. Open that section to set your capacity. Enter the maximum number of participants you're comfortable hosting in a single time slot. Calendly requires a minimum of 2 for group events. If you need only one attendee per slot, use a one-on-one event instead. Think about the format of your session as you choose a number. For interactive workshops, a smaller cap can foster better discussion. For informational webinars or briefings, a larger number might be fine if your tools and time allow. You'll also see an option to display remaining spots. Turning this on shows visitors how many seats are left as they're booking. It's helpful for clarity and can encourage timely signups, especially when space is limited. Calendly will automatically count down as people reserve their spots. When you're satisfied, click Save Changes. Be sure to save before navigating away so your new limits take effect. From this point forward, Calendly will enforce your participant cap per time slot, and once the limit is reached, that time will no longer accept new bookings. Existing bookings remain and count toward the total. If you later adjust the limit and save again, Calendly will respect the new capacity going forward. Decreasing it won't remove current attendees, but it will prevent additional bookings until the count is below the new limit. And that's it. With just a few edits, you've set a clear, enforceable capacity for your group event, helping you run smoother, more predictable sessions.